Hey, yo, it's Chris O from Down Under, Queensland, Australia. Now we've done those cuts along the wall there in the doorway. Now what will happen, because we're going tile over tile, they are replacing their carpet. So when the carpet layer comes in, he can ramp it up a tad so it's fairly flush. He can art it, build it up, art it, just at the doorway, ramp it slightly. It'll be all nice. Then it's not a trip hazard. So we've cut in along there. This opening worked out well. I cut the fill-in piece. It was brilliant. I thought it would be a little bit not as wide, but it worked out absolute wonderful. So now we're coming into the kitchen. I'll zap this in, easy peasy, and I'll work my way out. I'll do over there next, and then I'll do these few singles, and I want to get this laid, the bulk of it laid before I go home tonight, so I'm able to walk on it in the morning. Okay, we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll see more of me and you'll learn some more. See ya. I'm not going to go right in. I'll do the last 1 or 2 boards tomorrow. Easy. I hate kneeling on fresh tiles. Not good. There's always tomorrow, and there's always somewhere else I can tile without walking on the fresh stuff. Get a couple more packs. The less carrying of tile, the less carrying of tiles, the better. Better on your body. These trolleys are, I reckon, worth their weight in gold. Because now I have my tiles right where I need them. I'm putting a I'll go 475. I'm putting a toe kick tile right around there, what did I say, 475.
I've got to clean my bar too, it's getting a bit dirty and greasy. Actually a little bit more than 475. That offcut will do down there. I'll show you. When you're doing plank, you have stuff all waste. It's pretty good. Where are my clips? Don't forget to subscribe, people. And you'll always be notified when I've got another video out. But I can tell you now it's every 2 days. So buckle yourself in. We've got a lot to learn, a lot to teach. Kill. Got a bit ahead of myself then. Always scrape your edge. See how clean my lines are? They're clean. And why are they so clean? Because I've scraped the edge every time before I lay. And then you've got no glue popping up where you don't want it in your lines. It can be a real pain. And it's a lot of digging out. Doing that before you put your tile down is a lot quicker than cleaning the glue out when it's dry. A lot easier, a lot quicker. My next job is another floor, and the tiles are 450 by 450, I think, the floor tile. I'll be there next week. This'll take me another for 3.5 days, I suppose, by the time I've done the splashback and that sort of thing. Where's my tape? Okay, 950. I'll cut this, pop it in, and then I don't want to bore you. 950. Always be careful with your tiles around cupboards. Because a sharp tile, a corner, you accidentally hit the cupboard, you're in trouble, buddy. So just be careful. There's my rubber hammer. I've got to give it a little bit of a bash so the gap's right. There it is. I'm going to do this when the people are home, because there's two cats in there and I don't want them to get out. They're not outside cats. So I'll do that doorway when the people are home. I've got heaps to do in the meantime. Oh, nice. Okay, everyone, I'll see you soon. Ciao.